Hi, I'm Carlos Felipe, Chair of the Department of Chemical Engineering. Welcome to our department.
I chose chemical engineering because it touches everything you can see in this world. Whether it's environmental separations like desalination or wastewater treatment, or chemical separations like manufacturing drugs or purifying oil and gas. No matter what you've felt, touched, manufactured, seen in this world, chemical engineering has a strong and impactful influence.
Chemical engineering is one of the most diverse departments, and it's really giving you the tools to solve anything with anything.
Just mastering matter and energy. What we do is we bend it to our will, right? So like a scientist might invent something in a test tube, like that's what a chemist would do, and we would take it and we would make 1 million tons of that per year so that everybody could actually use it and turn it into useful products.
Chem-Eng to me is a way of learning how the world works and how it's put together and how it moves with each other.
Chemical engineering is using all the exciting parts of science, but actually applying them to real materials and processing and getting to look at performance. And so the applied nature of engineering makes it really exciting.
Chemical engineering is all about taking a set of raw inputs and turning them into finished products. And you do that using the principles of physics, mathematics, as well as, most importantly, chemistry.
Chem-Eng Club acts as a bridge between the undergraduate students and the Department of Chemical Engineering.
Chem-Eng Club meets once a week to coordinate different social events for the students.
End of every academic year, the Chemical Engineering Club puts on an event called Roast the Profs. This is where we essentially make fun of the profs for all the silly little things that they've done throughout the year. The profs are more than happy to join us.
Every year, the students organize and attend the Chemical Engineering Conference.
What I like about the conference is that there's chemical engineering research done all over the world, and it's being displayed at each conference.
What I'm always amazed by is when I go to the Canadian Chemical Engineering Conference, and it could be in Vancouver, it could be in Newfoundland, and there's more McMaster undergrads there than the host university, almost always, which is incredible. And the students organize the trip, the students go on the trip, they're passionate about learning more, they're passionate about connecting to the community.
So some of the companies we're involved with are in the steel industry, so that would be ArcelorMittal, Dofasco, Praxair, air separation industry, Johnson Controls involving building control, PepsiCo looking at logistics, also looking at food processing. So a variety of different areas.
I worked as an equipment reliability intern at Ontario Power Generation.
I worked at Xerox Research Centre of Canada for 16 months.
I did a 16-month internship at Ontario Power Generation. Process control security and human factors engineering.
2 summer month terms at Shawcor Limited.
I worked at Bruce Power. It's a nuclear power generating station. I worked there for 4 months.
16-month internship at a company called ConocoPhillips in Calgary, and I worked as an operations engineer.
Chem-Eng has a lot of research opportunities and even offers paid positions for undergraduate students to do research in the summer.
Being a summer research assistant was one of the best experiences of my undergrad.
The world really needs chemical engineers and all the big challenges we have.
I love how encouraging the professors are and how they're always willing to help you succeed.
I like the atmosphere in the department. It's a fun place to be.
Our profs help get us connected with research and industry positions.
I was really interested in breakfast cereal. I ate cereal every day. I ate all the sugary, terrible for you cereals like Frosted Flakes and Mini Wheats. But I also love Lucky Charms. And one of the best stories of chemical engineering genius is how they were able to obtain a multicolored marshmallow. So you get pink hearts, orange stars, yellow moons, green clovers, blue diamonds, and purple horseshoes. And then they came up with the multicolored rainbow. That took millions and millions and millions of dollars of chemical engineering research to get a marshmallow that could get the different colors to stick together and not come out in the milk.
All the professors and grad students are really approachable and helpful.
We have in the top 2 or 3 departments in this university. We have one of the top chemical engineering departments in all of Canada. We at one time had the top process control group probably in North America.
And we're the top departmental organization in all of engineering faculty. We are going to change the world.